So I just fed pig 1, pig 2, and I fed the other one. It's over there, number 3. I just fed all the chickens. Now I just gotta fill their water and check the rooster's water. And that should be it. And the chickens are always trying to come in here, eat the pig's food. Not while I'm on here. All right. Watch my head. We fill these buckets up with water. This one and that one. It lasts like 3 or 4 days, a week maybe. There's the other pig. So, yeah, they're all happy. Gotta fill that water up. Then I gotta fill his. And I got those 2 over there. And I'm heading home.